Our assignment is to create some Rebus designs for our names and place of birth. And so I've started mine. As you guys know, my last name is Doyle. So for my last name, I put a female deer, which is a doe, plus, and then I like to group things together with parentheses, a bell, so doe, bell. And so I had the people U minus B, bell, minus B is L, so Doyle. And then for my place of birth, I did a windmill and I got rid of the wind. So you're left with mill plus a figure walking plus key. So Milwaukee. I was born in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So that's my puzzle. So let me finish this off with my first name. And if you don't know, my first name's Michael. And so I'm going to do, I've thought about this before making the video. So I'm going to do M plus an I to get the my sound. So I'm going to go up to, I'm actually going to, I've discovered that I like doing this. I'm going to take this and I'm going to copy it. And you'll see why in just a moment. So I've got this. It's got the font I'm using in the size. And what I want is I want this plus an M with the, and I think that's good for this. Okay. So that's my I. And then I have a plus sign already. And I like showing you this because this is how I'm making my design more efficient. I selected it and I just hit this little button here. That's duplicate. And there's my plus sign because I want my designs to feel unified. And then M plus I. That's how I'm going to get Michael, the first part of Michael. So I'm going to go here and do I. And there's my graphics. And I'm going to try to find a graphic that goes with the style that I have of these other elements. So this one could work. I imagine there's just got to be a million of them. Okay, I'll do this one. All right, so that comes on. And I'm going to place that over here. And then I am going to just copy this, duplicate this, move it up here, because it's basically the right thing. And I'm just going to type the other parentheses. There you go. So there's one section. I'll try to line that up. Okay, so that's my. And then I'm going to group these together. If I take my mouse and move them, this is all. And now I need my Kel sound, my Kel. And so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do falling. I'm trying to get somebody who fell. Oh, look, this person, ooh, this person fell. Okay, so here's this person. I'm going to shrink it down. So they fell, but we've got to get rid of the F. So what's funny is this works really well. I'm going to duplicate this, put it up here, and I'm going to use this. But for this one, I need to get rid of the F. I want to make these feel like they are go together. So I'm moving her closer, making her bigger so that, and then I need that parentheses. Control, oh, so here it is. I want to duplicate it. So I've selected it and I go up to this menu and this plus duplicates it. And so there she is. And these seem a little not lined up. All right. And so I have my, and then fel minus L, so that's L. And then I don't like the way I have these parentheses, so maybe I'll group this one. Oh. So I'm going to put my mouse here and run it across these, and it's going to group those. See how they're grouped now? I'm going to scoot this over. And I want you to know to combine those. So here's my plus sign, and I'm going to duplicate it. There we go. So this is beginning to come together, but I don't love the spacing. So that will be sort of my final tweaking. I've got my images. And now I can kind of work them. See if everything lines up. And there's my name. My, oh, I don't have a K. Well, I got to fix that. Doyle, Milwaukee. So you'll see the finished product on our page, but that's a long video showing you how to create one of these.